Here is something important I want to share with all the recruiters out there. One thing you got to remember, that if you want to grow in your life and your career, you need to build your mental toughness. Why it is important? Because you see a lot of times when someone faces with any sort of difficulties and challenges, sometimes they give up, or sometimes they feel as if something has happened drastic and that can ruin their life. Now it tells that person is not so strong mentally. That's the reason they could not able to comprehend what has happened with them. Now if you're working in a corporate sector, now if you're working somewhere and you are expecting everything good to happen with you just because you are a good employee or you are performing better, then you are on a false expectations. Why? Because there are different kinds of people and environments that we generally work in. Now you got to build your mental toughness so that it will not affect on your emotional state. If you understand, our body that generally gets affected by the emotions that we have most of the time. Now if you are not mentally tough and you take everything for granted and you are someone who already thinks that how can I come out of this situation, I'm not able to handle this situation properly and people are playing around me and I'm the one who is always being victimized. Now if that happens, now who is going to get you out of this situation? You got to understand that you are the one who needs to help yourself. First you need to understand that, do you have a control on yourself? First thing is about the controlling yourself, meaning if you are aware of who you are, why you are doing what you are doing, then it is easy for you to control yourself when something happens. Now how would you know who you are and what you are doing? For that you need to set a goal, set a purpose. Now I'm not talking about a placement goal, revenue goal, money goal, submission goal, or being a promotion goal or something like that. I'm not talking about that. Goal means, the purpose means what exactly you want from your life. A very good example could be, what is that you want to give back to the people who believed in you, who trusted in you? For example, your parents. What is that you wanted to show them and how you can make them proud when you show that this is what you have achieved? Now you got to work towards that. That is what your goal is. The people who sacrificed everything for you to see yourself in a position, now you are going somewhere and now you're complaining about things, that things are not working according to the way you expected. Now that is killing their confidence and that is killing their expectation on you. Now this is the time for you to wake up and understand that the world is like that. You are the one who needs to change from within. You need to build your toughness, inside toughness. You need to build your self-image so strong that the outside force should not be able to touch you. After you understand that how committed you are, then you got to focus on your commitment. Commitment is never give up, meaning you wanted to show yourself that yes, you are so proud and you are there, that because of you, people are getting helped. And you are not doing any misrepresentation, you are not stealing something, you are not misguiding anybody else, but you are giving your 100% at your work or wherever you go. Then you don't have to worry about anything that comes in, because once you commit yourself that you are ethical and wherever you go, whatever you do, it is 100% correct, pure, ethically and morally, then you don't have to worry about people whatever they say, because you need to understand that it is always being ethical that works. For example, someone is blaming you at your work, someone is looking at bad things at you at your work because of internal politics, anything that could be. Now if you are not committed towards your purpose, what is that going to happen is you may easily deviate from your way. Once you understand that yes, I am committed and I know who I am and I'm controlling my emotions, then what is that going to happen is you are going to build your courage. Courage is something comes when exactly the situation comes in and it will tell you whether you go to say yes to things or no to things. Most of the time at work, because the boss asks something, the manager asks something, the team lead asks something, we say yes, but from within we know that that is something not yes, but that is no. Once you build your courage inside that you are on a purpose and you want to see yourself successful, you are committed and you control your emotions, then what you will learn is to learn how to say no. Because when you say I do not know, or I don't think, or I cannot do this, when you answer this knowing that yes, this is what it is and I'm gonna tell that whatever it happens, because that is what the truth is, you see yourself growing inside, your self-image grows. Now when you are seeing yourself controlled emotionally and you are the one who is committed and you are courageous, then what is that going to happen is your self-confidence will go up. That is one thing, that you're one step behind your success. When your self-confidence goes more than what other people think of yourself, at that point of time you will be unstoppable. That is what is required, because you are on a job. Nobody has done any mercy on you. You have acquired, you earned that job because of your skills. Now there is no point that you are gonna fear. There is no point that you're gonna compromise. There is no point that you feel worry when things do not go the way you wanted, or sometimes that you face some difficulties. Why? This is a job. You are doing the job. That is not life. The moment you understand that you are someone who are emotionally strong, you are courageous, you are committed, your confidence level is high, then you are not going to relate yourself with the job. Now your job will be your vehicle for you to take to the destination where you wanted to go. And the moment you are going to ride on your vehicle and you focus toward your destination, what is that going to happen is, if you are facing any problem in your current job, you can switch it like this, because you are no more bound by any sort of artificial things, but you are on a mission and you are gonna get it. And if you think you are currently going through any situations, now start focusing on building these things. And if you need any help, you are looking for any suggestions, put that in the comment box and let me know how you're gonna build yourself and grow yourself tough within, so that you can control the things that comes from outside. All right, this is required for each and everyone who wants to grow in this career or to see success in their life. This is Suman Pachigulla on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe and let's impact people's life. Take care and God bless.